everybody. So today I'm playing Roblox, and this Roblox video I'm making is another of Thomas and Friends games. So James and me are heading to the internet railway. Yeah, and we're going on our way. Let's see. How about just a smile? No, it's not working. And by the way, why do I have a phone with me? Wow, that's a very long tunnel. Will we make it? I don't know. It seems like a long trip. Whoa. There's no more railway tracks. Why? Oh, there you go. More railway tracks. I'll see you in a minute, guys. So guys, I finally made it out of the tunnel. And still going. Also, by the way, why do we have a phone? And wait a second, what was that for there? Also, why is there a wooden fence right next to the tracks? I don't know. And oh no, we're gonna crash! Oh no! Oh no! Accidents can't happen. Oh no! Now how are we gonna get to the internet railway in time? Wait a minute, Thomas. Thomas. Yes, Vicent. Will you mind of taking us to the internet railway? Sure. Just go and all aboard. Okay, let's go. Let's go, Thomas. Let's go. You're supposed to get in my coach. Oh, okay. Well, I'll see you guys. We'll soon be at the internet railway. Okay, guys. So we're now internet railway. We're almost there. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, Thomas! Thomas, where are you? Whatever. Oh, I can run? Okay. Okay. Yay! So they're YouTuber sheds. Okay. I wonder if my OC is here. Let's see. So we have Sam's room. Yeah, he's not a YouTuber anymore. He just quit YouTube for some reason. Here we have Val the Gamer TV. This is Trainboy 9705. And this is pronounced the HNY Des Row 1. Okay, so let's see. These are the YouTuber sheds. Let me... Trainboy 9705. You're blocking my way to get in. Maybe. Oh, there you go. Let's see. What else is here? Super Dude 24. There's just so much trains. And who is this back here? Is this like Thomas the YouTuber engine? The random guy YT. Okay, let's just go with Trainboy now 9705. Let's go! So this is a pretty big railway here that we can see. Let's go! Whee! Oh, look at that. We're at the train station. There's blue coaches and green coaches. That seems interesting. Oh, look at that. There's a tunnel. Let's go! What? It's already nighttime? Why is it already nighttime? Wait. Who is this? Ice baby here. Is here. What the? There's on snow. It's raining snow and oh no! We're gonna become a snowman. No, we crashed through the snowman. Okay, there you go. Let's go. Let's keep going. Oh wait. Wrong switch points. Okay, let's keep going. Whoa, we almost derailed or something. I want to know what's up there. This internet railway is very awesome. Alrighty. And am I even playing alone? I am. Okay. So let's see what's up here. Oh, there's an engine there. Maybe it's an engine. I don't know. Let's check on him. Run! Why am I not running that fast? Okay, let's go. Okay, so we have a literal rock. A literally rock, you're supposed to say? I don't know. Let's come back to our engine. Okay. Up, up. There you go. Switch and off we go. Are you marks? Wait, is that? Why is there a van here? It says red van. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go! Woohoo! Wee! Wee! Okay, so. Oh my god, he almost derailed that part. Who's this? Exactly. It burns, it burns. Is this like a hot section? I don't know. Why is there a road here? There's a level crossing. Whoa. What's in here? This is the scrap yard. Hello? Hello? Let's see. Scrap coaches. Why are they here? Well, let's just keep looking. Let's see. The true ghost engine. Okay, I guess. And we have like a bridge. Whoa, we have like a bridge here. Awesome. Okay, let's see. Going for the bridge again. Why was there a square there? I don't know. Is that where supposed to be an engine there? I don't know. Oh my god, we're going on 2 wheels. Not anymore. Okay. Look at my body parts in there. They're going like crazy. Let's see, what's here? Okay, so that's what's in there. The Internet Railway 2? The Internet Railway 2 in there? I'm soon gonna make a video on that. So let's just keep going. Let's see, what's here? There's the Easy's Bubs. So this must be from Easy's Train Time or Easy's Toy Time, or I don't know. Let's see. I'm trying to get in the train. There you go. This VIP. Why is there a VIP in Bubs? Oh, there's a light up there. Ah, much better. Going for the bridge with Bubs from Easy's Toy Time. Woohoo! Hey guys, do you remember this van? Well, let's see. Let's go and drive it. We'll be back, Bubs. Okay, so this is the red van. I wonder what happens when we drive it. And there's a deleter. Well, it's undrivable. Now, where is Bubs? Wait, did he just disappear? Where is he? Oh my goodness, I lost him. I think he's out of control. I don't know where he went. I'll be right back, guys. Now, guys, I already found Bubs. He crashed into the YouTuber sheds. He crashed straight into Sam's room. Poor Sam's room. Sorry, Sam's room. Gotta go. Don't follow me like those other things that happen. Don't. So, wait. This is a dead end. Well. Well, I just ran into a new fend. Or dead end. Whatever you want to call it. Okay, so let's see. And right here is the Izzy's mom and dad from Izzy's Toy Time as well. Let's see. I'll be right back, guys. So, guys, I just ran into the famous character sheds, and oh, look at that! It's sunshiny. So, who do we have? Mickey the Rescue Engine, the Bluebell Engine, and Rachel the Scrap Engine. What even is this? You know what? I'm going to go with the Bluebell Engine. Okay, guys, I'm back, and here I am in the Bluebell engine. Okay, pretty interesting already. Don't tell me I'm going to run to the YouTuber sheds again. Oh, okay. I'm wondering how to get those coaches there. I'm just wondering how to get... Oh, okay, I guess I'll... Okay, I guess. So, we'll switch the track. I'll be right back, guys. Here we go. I can't believe this is Thomas. For real, Thomas. Okay, let's go. Thomas, are you okay? Thomas, I can't even drive you for some reason. There you go. We have Thomas! Yay! Finally, we have our #1 engine. Yay! Okay, here are the trucks again. So there are the powered trucks, I think. How am I pushing them with ease somehow? Not anymore. Okay. So this was one interesting railway that I wanted to play. How about should I pull these trucks with my fizz? I'm doing it! I'm doing it! Yay! Winston. Wait. This is not again. Not again! Ah! Switch! Well, I guess that's all for this video now, guys. So if you like it, subscribe, click the bell notification, select all, and I'll see you all next time. See you, everyone. Bye-bye.